Okay, there we go. Gee, for some reason my mic wasn't working. Okay. It was weird. Alright, well, that's fixed. Anyway, hello. Welcome to my stream. Just like the title of the stream says, I am working on a first-person shooter that's a horror survival. It's basically, the idea is going to be, it's going to be like a Left 4 Dead, but with animatronics instead of zombies. So basically, Left 4 Dead meets Five Nights at Freddy's. And it's also going to have networking, which I've been trying to see about getting that down to working. So let's see if we can. So I've been trying to utilize the starter assets that Unity just recently came out with, because it's got a nice character controller script to start with, and it's got a decent model. The fun part is, actually, I will demo this. Okay, so this is part of our networking part. So we host, get ready, hit start. Okay, so for some reason we got an error. That's interesting. The variable animator has not been assigned. Okay, you probably need to assign. Well, in this, okay. One shot has failed for object player component. Okay. Cool. Okay, so our look sensitivity is not. So let's do some tweaks. The one, we have our problem with the animator. That's our animator. That's set. Oh wait, I'm an idiot. Network animator. That guy. Needs to be you. There we go. I don't know if that's gonna do anything as far as the... Nope, not the look sensitivity. Okay. Let me separate our game. I'm gonna separate our game view. Okay, so look sensitivity is a little off. No, that wouldn't be here. That does movement. Input controller. No. Or maybe that is it. Move speed, sprint speed, rotation speed. Wait, rotation. Rotation speed of the character. That's fine. Network random color. Yeah, so for some reason our mouse speed is really low. Yeah, wait. No, that's not it. Okay, so it's this one. Up. Okay, so on, oh, camera rotation, ha. Damper pitch on the rotation, update camera target pitch. Rotation speed. So it is our rotation speed. Okay, we need to up that a bit. Is set to 1. That's interesting. Is there a default for it being set? Oh, okay. Set to 1. I want to up it to 2. Oh. Oh. Play. Post. Ready. Start. Whoa. That's very sensitive. This is sensitive. And our movement speed is super slow as well. That's good. I have to adjust that. Okay, so that's too high, so how about 5? Movement speed. That's... wonder why... $58. I guess I could technically change these on the fly. A little better. Speed's not much better. Yeah, I need to fix the model here. Or replace it or something, because this isn't... the model's not going to work for what we need. FPS sample. This first person. Okay, shooters. This might have... let's see if I can find something in the asset store just for testing. Basically, I need an asset that that we can have the gun arms that would be attached to the gun. And then I need it to be headless for first person. The thing is, I need everything else. I need to be able to toggle them on and off, because for third person with our networking, you know, we would want to see the other players like that. Hold on. First person characters. How about just FPS? FPS prototyping. Oh wait, that's okay. FPS model. Person. Wait. FPS model. Go to characters. Do FPS characters. Needs to be humanoid. FPS handy hands, huh? Okay. Yes, it's 5. Polygon FPS sample. This is like okay. What's this one? Okay, but this isn't set modular character base pack. Body heads, rifles, okay. No, I wish I could just edit the model. This.
Hello there, I'm Jimmy Vegas, and in this mini Unity tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a script in C# which will allow you to change from first person to third person view and back again. So most games these days either stick with either first or third person view. But you have games, for example the Fallout series, the Elder Scrolls, which have the ability to switch back and forth between first person and third person view. So I'm going to do this with the default third person controller, which is called Unity Chan. You can get this on the asset store if you want, but if you've got your own third person controller, that's fine. One thing I will recommend firstly though, if you're going to do this method, don't use the built-in first person controller, because if you're going to switch to a third person, even in first person, there still needs to be a model there to actually represent the character. So I have the main camera attached to Unity Chan, and if we press play, we're just in third person, and we're going to start with a third person view. So we're going to do it by going to Edit, Project Settings, and Input. And whatever we have as size here, add 1 to it. So I've got 21, so I'll hit 22. And all that does is duplicate whatever the last option is. In this case, I've got a T key option. So I'm going to change the name of this to
old.
Camera, and I'm going to make the positive button equal to.
Okay, so all it's doing is adding a button to change camera.
Or if you want the P button, if you want the Y button, or anything like that, you would just put this in here. So you can also change the type there if you want it for the mouse button, for example. So I'm just going to use the C button on the keyboard for now. So once that's done, we can actually start with our script. So right click, create, C# script, and let's just call it camera change.
So I just remembered I started with the first person script, controller script, and added in some stuff from the third person one, for animations. Maybe I should have done it the other way around. Just do a third-person script and adapt it for a first-person view. Maybe. I might have to make a new script, but I mean, that's okay.
And we're going to open it up in MonoDevelop or Visual Studio, whichever you have, because the script is the exact same. There's going to be 3 variables. There's going to be the first-person camera, third-person camera, and then the camera mode.
Speed this up.
So we can set camera mode 1, camera mode 2, camera mode 3 if possible. I'm just going to stick with 2 camera modes, but you can have more. For example, if you have a zoomed-out camera, but you can expand on this script if you need to. So I'm going to get rid of void start and a little note there. Don't need that. Let's start.
So if I did want to implement something like this where you can go from first person to third person, wouldn't be too bad, especially with Cinema Machine, because I could just have 2 Cinema Machine camera objects and basically just toggle them as far as which one is active back and forth to switch cameras. So
Start with public, game, object, and let's have third cam. So that's a third person camera. Next one, public.
So hold on. Since he's doing code, let's fast forward through this. And just examine the end result code. Right here? Nope, back one.
Save our script there.
Okay, cool. Alright, so what is he doing? On button press on the camera button to switch cameras. If 1 equals 0, else plus 1, plus equals 1. That's... I don't know. I mean, I guess that's not bad if you wanted to add more than just 2 camera modes, but at this point, I'd rather just do a toggle or boolean. But, start coroutine. Start coroutine. Change camera. Okay, so yield return, new, second, okay. If cameras equals 0. Okay, yeah, he just toggles them. That's all that does. Camera change.
Next thing to do, we head back to Unity. I'm going to take this main camera, which is our third person camera. I'm going to right click, rename, and just call it third cam. And then we're going to hold.
And he's going to make a second one that's your first person camera.
Onto character 1 reference. So we're going to place this camera at the front.
How do you handle the model?
Onto character 1 reference. Right click, rename, and we'll call it first cam. And then we just need to place it where we would expect to have the first person view. So we'd have it pretty much in front of her face. So I think about that to be just fine. And next thing we need to do is just disable the first cam because we're going to start in third person view. And now we need a new game object, so create empty, right click, rename, and we'll call this cam.
Yeah,
center.
but
and then just drag and drop this camera change script onto it. And we just need to set the first.
Because you're not turning off the model, it's
first cam goes there, and let's press play. So we have our third person view, and now let's press C, and we can go into first person view. C again takes us back to third person, and you can keep switching between the 2, like so. Now you could also add a couple of extras to this. You could add some animation to it so the camera kind of zooms in and zooms out to where its focus should be. But that's going a little bit more advanced. But it's not too difficult to do. It just requires adding an animation component.
Yeah, no, that's the lazy way of doing it. I've got other things like I don't want the camera in front of the head. I want it to be the head. The camera should be especially in a first-person shooter. Camera is the head. I'm about to just say, screw it. Let's just go get. Yeah, you know, yeah, we're just gonna do it. Let's just. Do we still have that package? If we don't, we'll just grab it. Models, mirror. Okay. So I'm gonna go and grab the package that I was going to use for this, but it just wasn't working out with the networking. But the models were pretty good. If I can find load. Probably further down. Ultimate character controller. Actually, I can just import just the model. That's it. Or what I need. Fine, let's do an update. Cool. Import. Yeah, because when you do the import, it does, yeah, it does this. So, this is the installer. Or, that's right, it has an installer. I forgot about that. All right. Well, install it, and then we'll... That's probably not what I need to do. I don't know what it's doing. Well, I guess we're gonna find out. All I want is the models. Like, I honestly like all the models. I'll probably just take all the models, the arms, the guns, the players. I'll just take those and use those, since those are all set for when it comes to first-person shooter. Ah, here we go. Shared, no. Demo. Animations. Animator. Actually, a lot of the stuff here can be useful. Materials. Okay. Honestly, all I really want is the demo folder. Sort of. Because, like, so models, yeah. Characters. Grenade, sword, shield. All this stuff. Items, scene. Hulls, okay, barriers and stuff. Various different objects I can use. The materials I want. Select none. Okay, so materials, models. Okay. Animator? The animator. Animations. Audio. Shaders? Shaders. We'll do shaders. Oh wait, surface. Surface system. Basically all the assets. Textures. Textures. I'll take these two. I don't want that. Inventory, okay. I don't want the prefabs. I'll just make my own prefab. Presets. Camera, first person. Nope. I just want the assets. I will make my own scripts. Import. Alright, so this is going to take a little bit. Yeah, I'm just going to make my own scripts and do it for the situation I'm doing instead of using their first person scripts, because it's not going to work out with the networking part. Oh, this is gonna take a bit. Gosh, this is definitely gonna take a bit. Oh. So, I guess back to looking at our scripts. I'm thinking I should probably... First person controller. I'm just gonna make a player controller. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use the third person controller that they have. Third person scripts. You. We don't need all these. Wait, that's first person. I need third person. Third person controller. I want all of this. Take out the namespace. And change this to player. I think we renamed some stuff. Input controller, character controller, character controller. Oh, okay. There we go. Look at finished. Cool. Character. Noland. Alright, so I need our player. Cool. So this isn't gonna work for us. I'm going to get that. Cool. armor, armor and arms, okay, body, and then the rig. So this is what I wanted. I wanted these things to be separate so I could toggle them. So like the helmet, I want to toggle that off when we're in first person. Okay, so our animator, we're going to have to switch to the animations that came with this. Character. Mask. First person arms demo. Okay. Avatar, armature avatar. What we want to do. I'm actually not sure what one we need. First person upper body mask. Okay, different avatars here. Nolan avatar. I want that. Oop. Finding warning. Some generic clips animate transforms that are already bound by humanoid avatar. Only be changed by clips. Okay. That should be fine. That should be fine. All right. Let's get our script working. So let's get rid of this. Now I want the player controller. There. I want our player controller. Alright. Play. See if this works. Or it's probably just gonna break. Who knows? Whoop. The variable cinema machine camera target of has not been assigned. Okay. obstacle. Okay. Wait, Nolan avatar, but this doesn't have. I just leave the animator on here, maybe? Might be a good idea. Remove that for now. And then... Actually, wait a minute, we're referencing the animator here. Okay. Let's just remove it now. Oops. Okay. I did not set the machine camera. The following target set in the... Okay. You. Okay, cool. Play. Now let's see if it will work. Parameter hash does not exist. Probably trying to run certain animations. Whoa. Okay. So yeah, that's right. The animations are going to be janky because we need to redo those. That's okay. And then our motion thing is off. At least the camera seems fine. You know what? Nah, let's switch back to the first person controller that I had. Because that was all set. Right, I didn't set the ground layers on the other thing. Oh. The animations are still gonna fail. Yeah, that's what we're seeing there, is the animations failing. Oof. Our models on the ground. I don't know if it's because maybe it's our animations. Alright, so let's take a look at those. Yeah, get rid of it. String to hash. So I need to actually take a look at some of these. The starter assets. Third person. Animations. It was this. Ah, here we go. Idle walk run. Okay, so hold on. Where are these used? Animator set bool. NMID free fall. True. Where are these bools created? Base layer. Something like this. Mask none. Jump. Lin tree parameters jump. Where are these coming from? Unless generates a parameter ID from a string. We're creating them on the fly here. Okay. So then that's how that works. Let's go to these character. Okay. These are different different layers. Base layer. There's no transition. Oh, okay. Never mind. Different layers. Gotcha. Additions. Oh, damn. It's complicated. I was wondering, where's our idle state? That is our idle state. Yeah. Okay. Idle first person. I'm trying to find it. Oh, idle. First person. Idle first person. So I really need to have the animator on the model at this point in order for these to work. Okay. Sure if this is going to work properly. Whoa. This is going to be tough. missing something. Local only be. Okay. So our model is not working properly. I wonder if that's why. Ah. That just has a normal capsule. What about the third person? Oh, so that doesn't have... Okay. Where is our player? Red of the rigid body. Red of the capsule. Probably why it's failing. Or it's having issues. Whoa. Look sensitivity is a bit better. Movement speed's insane. And our model's in the ground. I'm wondering if it's just because our model, yeah, is just in the ground. Yeah, let's put our model up one. And then... Man, I'm tired. Ooh. Okay, yeah, our speed's a lot. It is too much. Way too much. wonder if that's why I was having issues before. Holy crap, still zooming around like crazy. Wait, that's right. Let's beat this. We're back in the ground again. Super odd. All right. We are going to get this right. You know what? Forget the networking part. We're having trouble with just the first person stuff. So I'm gonna actually just start a scene that we can just go with, I guess. Scene. Cool. We don't need spawn points. We just need like environment stuff. plane, ground. Set it. Scale it. Let's put cube in here or something for reference. Scripts. Utility. Color. All right, let's grab our player. Prefab, unpack completely. You. Okay, we're gonna remove all this for now. Because look, okay, so let's remove that. Move that. That cool. We're just going to get, let's see, random. Why is there multiple grips? Random color. Cool. We're gonna toggle all these. Know why my phone's going off. I don't recognize the number. That's awesome. Okay. Our model is there. Let's just set our model down. And let's also set the camera down a bit. Cool. If I hit play on this, game crashed. Needs to be open ring same because it has no valid scene ID. Okay. Hit save again. Why is the character... Why is the player getting disabled? Adding network update to Unity. But I don't need networking right now, so why are you doing that? Wait, when did that move? Thank you. Play. Needs to be opened and resaved because the scene object player has no valid scene ID yet. Creating missing network. What? Random color shouldn't need. That's stupid. That shouldn't need. Yeah. It's just a random color. Script. Creating missing network ID component for a random color in player. But you don't use it, or you don't. Doesn't make sense. I don't understand. I should be able to play. Alright, fine. We won't have random color. Move. Move. Clear. Alright, there we go. Whoa! Why is our player so freaking fast? Input controller. First person controller. That's okay. I may have messed something up on here. The model's gone. Okay. There's 2 audio listeners, huh? Oh, I didn't remove the other main camera. Yeah, go away. So the model is like under the ground. I don't know why. No. Okay, hold on. Disable this. Let's get our capsule. We'll do it with capsule for now. So something's wrong with our scripts. Wait, the cube has a network. I did remove that. Oh, probably because I don't get it. Why is the random color script triggering network stuff? Does this make sense? All right. Well. Well, that probably doesn't help. Wait, there's some scene stuff. Hold on. Yeah, just blue. That works. Okay, we have some colors. What colors here? Let's put one for the ground. Oh, nope. That works. So for some reason, our cube falls to the floor a bit. Why? Something is up with... Oh wait, ground. Nothing, default. Remote player, I think that's... Play. Phone falls to the ground. You still fell to the ground. Oh gosh, and you're super fast. Double checking to make network issue on here. Okay. It's got to be something with the controller. So let me remove this. We'll try this player control again, but actually I'm just gonna use script. first person controller. Take that off. Actually, we don't need these. I'm probably always going to use that input system. Wait. Namespace. Wait. Oh, I'm modifying the wrong thing. What I need all of this. I'm replacing this. Okay. Yep, in your player controller, starter assets. Get rid of that. Get rid of this and that. I don't want these checks. Alright, this is input controller. Oh. I guess before we start on animations, we need to get stuff working properly. This is crazy. We need to get our movement back up and working again. Player controller. Okay. Movement. That's a lot less. Huh. Okay. Root. That. Okay. Play. What? What is this? No. I don't need all that. Why did it make that? This is what I want. Everything I want is here. Oh, I need to set this though. Wait, is it because this is local? Maybe set everything to default. Yes, change children. Thank you. Why? Why is it doing that? For player controller and player. Yeah, it's maybe it's because delete that. Is it one of my other scripts that's doing that? Nope. Oh no. Upon behavior. I need to check all the other stuff. Nope. Input. That's fine. That's the input controller, yeah. Okay. Not the input controller, is it? No. That looks fine. In fact, I'm gonna get rid of that part. Because I don't really need to check for that. No, I'll leave it at that. Save. I don't understand why it's doing. Scene assets, scenes, FPS test that Unity needs to be opened and saved and resaved because the scene object player has no valid scene ID yet. I don't care. I don't want for player controller. Why? The player controller should not have any networking stuff in it. Unless is it just because I have it in it's named player controller? This is ridiculous. Okay, fine. What if I leave these? But I don't need the rigid body. Wait. No. Yeah, because this just I don't need the rigid body because it's great. We're gonna start over on the player. Delete. We'll sort of start over in the player. It's starter assets, player capsule. Okay. Everything is set up for this. Wait, I need follow camera. and main camera. Okay, so follow camera. You need to have this or follow. There you go. Play. There. Why have I been having issues with this before? Well, the turning is not as sensitive as I would like. Okay. Now. Unpack completely. We're gonna rename you as player. Okay. We need these being here. I'm going to unpack these completely. It's part of the player now. Okay, play. Still the same. It works the same. Movements all the same. Cool. So that's working fine. Capsule's fine. What I want to do is this starter assets input. I want to swap that out for my input controller, along with the input player input stuff here. So grips. So player input. Our player. Okay. That. Cool. Basic rigid body push, that's fine. Okay, the first person controller. These look okay, although the rotation speed needs to be a little higher. Let's get rid of this player controller. Delete. Cool. Right. Our own first person controller, which is this one. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take the first person controller here, go in here, Paste. Cool. Starter assets, get rid of that. Rotation speed, I want this to be 3. This is our input controller. All right. That should do it. So remove that. And we want our own. Cool. These need to get set. Default. I think this is remote. Like ground layer. Specifies which layers will be affected or excluded from the from the lights that effect on objects in the scene. Okay. And then we have this. Is there? Gonna work. Works fine. And the look movement is better. Okay. I wanted. Maybe I should wait on animations. Animations are later thing. What I need to do is get I want to get the networking part going. And I want to get that working well. The animations part, we can just... we'll see what we can do. We'll make different kinds of players. Or player prefabs. This will be our normal player, and then I'll make a networked one. And then what we can do is keep going with that. Make like when I work on the animations, I'll make a normal animated one, and I'll make a networked one. That way we can work that out. Because I'd like the models to actually. Yeah. Let's see if we can get an animated one. I know it's gonna be insane, but like our third person. I mean, if need be, like for the maybe we can get our Nolan one working. I'm gonna try it. Prefabs. No, not prefabs. here. Models. So Nolan. Cool. Our capsule here. Wait, that has local. This should also have local. That has a capsule collider, but I don't. Capsule collider? This has the animator. Yeah, this has the animator on it. Hide that. Unpack. Cool. See if we can just assign some material colors or something. There. A little bit better for now. I hit play. Okay, so if I hit play, we just have deposing. Like, oh, I need to reposition camera. So why are you? I don't want a shoulder offset. The needs to be a bit higher. Maybe just add forward. Okay, so watch. If I was in first person, this would be gone. Yeah, let's see how that is with the helmet gone. I don't think the camera's far enough out. Right. Because I'm almost thinking of just hide, maybe just for first person, just hiding the entire model. Maybe might be for the best. Okay, so this is our normal player. I'm not going to put that in the resource. I'm going to put it in the prefabs. Hold on. You stay put. I'm going to rename you to single player. Duplicate you. You're going to be called just you're going to just be called mirror player. You're going to go in the resources. Oh, prefabs. And then you're going to go in prefabs. Go. Okay. I want to delete you out of here. You're fine. This scene is good. We're going to go back to this. Actually, no, it's fine. Back to this. Yes. Resources. Player spawn system. Spawn system. Mirror player. Cool. Now we're gonna look at our mirror player. Cool. So just to differentiate, where's my, let's get that, the network. Yep, cool. Okay, so then we got network ID. Actually, no, we're gonna leave that there. Network random color. I need my local handler. Okay. We need to enable and disable certain objects and stuff. Okay, so for the behaviors, this needs to be player input controller. Those need to be turned off. And there's first person controller. No, it's fine. Okay. Objects. Main camera. Follow camera. That's it, I think. Then we also need the network transform. Client authority. Cool. We probably need the network transform child. No, let's try without for now. Okay. I think we're good. Give it a run. Post. Ready. Start. Okay, we can look around. Where's... Okay. So that is good. We have all of our motion controls here. Okay. So let me get another editor open. We will get the animations working later. Wait for that to open. I know when we're moving, we have some kind of inertia thing. I don't know if it's the camera. Camera rotation, move. That's right, it uses the lerp. Speed change rate. Organic speed change, okay. Lens vertical. Third person follow. I want no dampening. We're gonna do a no dampening. Press slide, specify which shoulder, left or right, or in between the camera is on. Center. Ignore tag. Ignore tag. Obstacles with this tag will be ignored. It is a good idea to set this field to the target's tag. Oh, so wait, hold on. We could set that to local player. That will fix our whole... Wait. Camera collision filter. Local player. Let's add local player to that. Hold on. So which layers will be affected or excluded from the light's effects on objects in the scene? Will be affected or excluded. Oh wait, so no. Obstacles with this tag will be ignored. It is a good idea to set this target's tag. Target's tag. Noise profile. Cool. There. See if this works. Host. Client. Ready? Ready. Ready. Start. 2 audio listeners. Oh, I didn't do. Something didn't work. These didn't get disabled because I didn't disable them. I'm an idiot. Back to our player. Yep. Whatever, anything that's in these that I put here have to be disabled, which I didn't disable these. So disable and disable. Clear. Play. Post. Client. Ready. Start. Okay, I can turn. I think that's me. Yeah, because the other one's purple. So player 1 here is blue. Player 2 is purple. I can move. I can see movement over there. Hovering. They're hovering. So I need to adjust that, apparently. I can jump. Now, does it work the same? Oop. Yes, does work. The jump height. The jump height isn't doing too good. Movement's good. Jumping, not so much. Okay, that's good. Okay, that went well. Thanks. Set defaults to not continuously send scale data and save bandwidth. Interpolates. Restore. Changes to the transform must exceed these values to be transmitted on the network. Sync interval. Time in seconds until next change is synchronized. Client. 0 means send immediately if changed. 0.5, okay. I wonder if that's going to make a difference as far as the jumping, because it looks like it's not syncing the jumping fast enough. Host, client, ready, oops, ready, start. It's like spot on, smooth. Except the jumping. Okay. Well, that's good. At least that part works. Alright, so if that all works, then I need to see about animations, possibly. Yeah. Let's see if we can get animations. So we have an animator here. Let's close some tabs here. I don't need these. Right arm layer, left arm layer, upper body, base layer. So idle, if we, I'd love to just get idle and movement working. Entry. So idle is just the one that's supposed to run. But it's not. It's not working because, oh wait, it's not using this animator. Okay, so if we added, where is it? No, no, that's not what I want. Animator. First person arms demo. That's true. Let's get some of the first person stuff set up. So, local player only. But I need the opposite. Well, for now, that's okay. For now, let's get the helmet and take out the mesh. And then let's also get the body arms and take out the mesh for that and the armor arms. So then we need first person arms. Okay, let's get first person arms. Models. Hold on. First person arms. I'm going to unpack that. Oh wait, there's an avatar. First person arms. Wait, what did... No, an avatar. That's not for this. We need... Is the demo? Demo. What does demo look like? Demo. Idle. Movement. Crouch. Fall. Interact. Jump. Yes. That is what I'm looking for. That's why it was complaining. I just had the wrong animator assigned to the wrong asset. Actually, let's get play back. Close that for now. Scene. So then the first person arms here is probably supposed to use the first person arms demo. Yeah, okay, that looks fine. This had, oh wait, this has applied root motion, but this doesn't. Okay, that's perfectly fine. Let me test some of these animations out. Great. Actually, let me look that up. Is there a way to test Unity test animation? Test animation. Using the animation view. Okay, yeah, but animator controllers. Yeah, is there a way to hold on. Test animator controller. No, okay. I should probably, these animations I should probably do to the local one so I can test it a little bit easier. Yeah, so let's do that. Get our single player prefab here. Oh. We're gonna do what we did to the other one, and let's turn off the mesh for these. That's right, I also modified this, which let's fix that. Radius, that's fine, that's fine. This should be 5. Okay, we're gonna leave it at that. Cool. So now I need the arms. Arms. Cool. Unpack these completely. Cool. So you're going to use demo, and you're going to use first person arms demo. All right, let's switch scene. Back to our single player scene. Yeah, here we go. Play. He's got an idle. There's an idle animation. It's working. But the changes aren't happening. But that's okay. I already know, like, we need to actually make changes to our controller to get those to work. But the idle itself, standing still, is working. So we just need to figure out how to tie into the animator with our player controller. Our arms are not working still. Well, that's okay. I'm actually going to, let's disable those for now. We'll work on those later. But for now, yeah, let's see if we can get our movement animation working. Which we're gonna have to audit, we're gonna have to modify. Let's see here. Okay, so idle movement. Oh, adventure movement, combat movement. From any state. So there's a lot of extra stuff here that we're probably going to just take out. Okay, so basically there's nothing here linking all these. It's just, it's any state. Yeah, so any state goes to all these different things. Okay. There's a combat movement. There's an aim movement. There's a, okay, there's a standard movement. A lot of conditions. Aim movement. Okay. Let's get the adventure movement work. Which there's conditions here apparently. Now I don't see any ID. Oh, wait, parameters. Oh, here we go. Did I not see those though? Give me a second. No, third person. Character, animation. Oh, it was, okay. So it was here. Well, we can do it the same way we did it with, that they do it with the third person movement thing. Let me look here. In order to do adventure movement, so movement set ID has to be set to 2, ability index is 0, moving is true, aiming is false. storming here, and our cats hate thunder, so one of our cats is starting to... Yeah, he's going downstairs. Poor guy. Leg index. So a lot of these are... The index not equal. I kind of want to remove these conditions, or some of these conditions. I'm almost saying maybe I should make a copy. Well, nah, this won't be too bad to set up, so we'll just do that. Well, we'll just modify this the way we want it to, so. What is this one? Greater leg index is okay. Actually, let's use. We're gonna use the combat movement. Wait. Ability index. Oh. We don't have any ability index or anything like that. Moving is true, aiming is false. We're just gonna use the combat one, and then we'll see how it goes. Moving, moveset 1, moveset 2, or moveset ID. The moveset I might keep because that could prevent unneeded things. Okay, so let's remove some of these. We don't want that. I just want this. And then leaving ability index. Oh, there are a lot of never mind, there are a lot of transitions here. Oh boy. Okay. You know, it might be easier for me to just make my own animator at this point. Yeah. So let's do that. So let's close. We need the animator for this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up here. Make a new folder. Create new animator controller. We're gonna call this trying to think what we want to call this. I mean, Ooh. We'll just do movement. We'll just call it movement. We're gonna open that up. So here's the any state. We do need an idle. Let's get our, see if we can at least get this. First person idle first person. And rename this to idle. Let's just leave it at that and hit play and see what we get. Idle works. Cool. Wait, I'm an idiot. I haven't even assigned it. Nolan. Movement. Oop. What's going on? Some generic clips animate transforms that are already bound by humanoid avatar. These transforms can only be changed by humanoid clips. So I am confused. Got our demo. This idle. It just goes straight to in. Okay, so that's how it was working before. Motion. The blend tree. That's complicated. Actually, we can just copy stuff, right? Yeah. Paste. Okay, so then it set the parameters that we needed. Actually, what I need to do is copy this. Yeah, that'll work. So supposedly that should work for our idle. Yep, the idle's working. Okay. That's not complaining anymore. Huh. That's good. So we need to go from idle to moving. Ah, this is where the abilities are coming from. Okay. I'll definitely have to figure this one out. I need movement. Copy. I wish I could have two animator windows open. Add tab. I can have animation, but not animator. Close. Yeah. Alright. That's annoying. Well, I guess technically I could open it up over here, but eh. Paste. Forward movement, horizontal movement. Okay. That's simple. It doesn't exist. Okay. This is what I need. Forward movement. I think I get it. Okay, we want the combat movement. Because, yeah. Wait. Yeah, combat move, it has strafing and stuff. We don't need this. Yep, okay, so that's what I want. Okay, this transition won't. What does it look like in the other one? Movement. Okay, so that's there, but any state. Actually, I want to see the combat one. Moving. Okay, I think I get it. Yeah, because you just have that. Speed, height, forward movement. Okay. So maybe we should probably do that too. So in this, make transition, any state to movement, source state. Okay, gotcha. I know, I get that. Where need to make a new parameter, the Boolean moving down here. Moving is true. It should keep doing that. Moving is false. So it fixed that. Okay, so what's the exit one for that then? I want to find that. Oops. Demo. So what they have for their exit, is ability index. Moving falls and ability. Okay, we don't need ability index. So just having the one transition is fine. Movement. So get rid of that. Get rid of that. So for moving, we go into combat movement. When we're not moving, we exit. Okay, let's go up. Do we have a... I don't think we do. Demo. Oh, so there's an any state to idle many different times. Is moving false. Do you want this? Okay, so let's go movement. Geez, going back and forth. I want to go into idle. We need a transition from that. So is moving false. Actually, we can test this out by using this. I want the enemy. Yeah, this is simple. Let's hit play. So that's, hold on. Whoops. So he has an idle animation. Okay. Go back, go back, go back. Why isn't my debug control working? I should be able to... Oh, but it's based on horizontal movement. If I go here, oh gosh. Okay, let's just rig this up and see if we can get this to work. Did I mess this? I did. Horizontal movement and forward movement. So why is our, hold on. Do we not have our debug algo consoles input? For some reason that's not working. Because we don't have an event handler like that, do we? Oh, why? Okay, that's okay. Let's see here. Let's get no. Wait, player. Okay, yeah, that's the one we want. We need. How does I noticed? How does the starter assets handle? Here we go. The animations. Assign animation IDs. Animator.string to hash. This generates a parameter ID from a string. So you set this, and then animation blend. Okay, let's get some of these switched over. As animator. Okay. I guess the IDs thing is kind of a good idea. Where was that? That was yeah, thing is we don't need all these. There's vertical move. We need vertical movement and horizontal movement. And then we need is like moving. We'll just call it vertical move. Oh. Wait, that's right. These are IDs. Okay. Horizontal movement. Wait. Horizontal movement, forward movement. Forward. Let's change that to forward. And moving. Okay. So then what we want to do to move. That's the animation blend. That does speed. Except this is going to be a little different. It's right after the move. Okay. What are... Those are ints, I think. No, they might be floats. I'm just gonna go with floats. So floats. Okay, so Input magnitude. That's probably what we need. Maybe a float. Input magnitude. Input dot analog movement. Okay. Move. Magnitude. The length of this vector. I don't think the magnitude is what we need. We need... Wait, velocity. Current horizontal speed. We need so horizontal speed, and we need vertical speed. Except, well, maybe we just need the move. So hold on. That. Or that should be Y. Yes. And then moving. If, well, we have something up here. Move equals vector 0. Target speed. Okay, if there is no input, set the target speed to 0. If target speed is greater than 0. Real. Supposedly, it'd work. Oh, this is... okay. Thing is... the animator. So our animator is on the model. We need to find that, or we need to make sure we set that. So this might not work. Okay. I'm sorry. Didn't realize you knew that I was streaming. I'm wrapping it up. I'm sorry, everyone. That was my wife reminding me that it's past 7:30 and we need to eat. So, okay. So I guess I'm gonna wrap this up here. Hopefully I'll actually have some of this animation done stuff before the next stream, which next stream will be Tuesday. Sorry about skipping all the previous ones. We've been having like some serious heat issues around here. So, and my streaming area is on the second floor, which yeah, gets really warm up here to the point where our AC can't keep temperature down. So a lot of times I've had to like do like work or something on my laptop downstairs. Anyway, thank you all for joining. I hope you all have a great day. So far the stream has been interesting. I feel like I'm definitely getting somewhere. Like, at least the networking part works. If I can get the animations working and synced up over the network, that would be freaking awesome. Yeah, this is coming along. I like I want to get the first person shooter mechanics down and polished, or not entirely polished, but at least functional. I want to get it functional, and I also want to have it to where the network part is functional. But it's getting there. But anyway, thank you all for joining, and I hope you all have a great evening, morning, whatever time it is where you are. So, see ya. Bye.